Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for your support. I cannot stress it enough how much I appreciate all the love and support that I've been getting from you guys. Thank you. So on today's episode, I'm going to be making another warm breakfast idea, and this time it's cornmeal porridge. Yep, the good old cornmeal porridge. So my ingredients that I'll be using today, I have some cornmeal, some glazed cornmeal. I have vanilla, some brown sugar, some nutmeg, condensed milk, coconut milk of course, mixed spice, and some cinnamon. So let's get started. Okay, so first thing, I have 4.5 cups of water in my pot. I'm gonna put my flame on medium. Then I'm gonna be adding half teaspoon of sea salt. I'm gonna close it and then leave it to come to a boil. Okay, so now that the water has come to a boil, I'm gonna be adding half cup coconut milk. Okay, so now I'm gonna be adding the cornmeal. Here I have a cup of cornmeal. Now I'm gonna be adding a cup of room temperature water to the cornmeal. Then I'm gonna be stirring the water and the cornmeal together like this. And when this is done, it should look something like this. So now I'm gonna be adding this cornmeal mixture to the boiling water and coconut milk and stir. Now I'm gonna leave this to come to a boil. When it comes to a boil, I'm gonna lower the flame, because remember we started at medium flame. So I'm gonna lower the flame, cover the pot, and leave the cornmeal to cook for 10 minutes, stirring occasionally. Okay, so the cornmeal has been simmering for 10 minutes. Now it's cooked, so now it's time to sweeten. So first I'm gonna be adding a tablespoon of vanilla. Then I'm gonna be adding half teaspoon cinnamon, half teaspoon nutmeg, 1/4 cup brown sugar, 1/4 teaspoon mixed spice. I'm gonna stir, and then I will add some condensed milk. The condensed milk you add according to your liking. Okay, so our porridge is all done. This is what it looks like. It's good. So now I'm gonna turn off the flame and then I'll serve it. And there you have it, guys, another warm breakfast idea. It's good by itself, or you can have it with either crackers or bread. Thank you so much for watching, and see you next time. Bye!